Hi everyone. So I was supposed to move on to exercise 4 this week. And when I was reading the details of the exercise, I realized that I wasn't ready to move forward. I'm still stuck on the first 3 exercises, mainly 3 cross contours. So Nicolaïdes suggests about 3-ish hours a day to practice these exercises, which I don't have. I'm probably practicing about an hour, but I'm totally fine with that. And some of you might be in the same boat as me. But those of you who are able to move ahead, I will upload the instructions to the upcoming exercises in my community posts weekly. So even if you don't have a copy of the book, you can move on to the next exercise. So remember that the exercises that we're doing in this series are supposed to teach us how to draw what we see. So there's not a specific subject we're trying to learn. We're just trying to learn how to draw everything. So anyways, I'm going to show you what I've been working on this week and what I still need to work on the upcoming week. All right, check these out. Here are my contour sketches, aka blind contour sketches, and the modified contour sketches, where you can actually look at the paper. These are honestly my favorite so far, and they are just the first exercises. They definitely are the most fun, but more than that, I can tell I'm actually learning how to draw. Not looking at the paper sounds weird, but that has been the key for me, because the more I practice not looking at the paper, when I finally do look down at what I'm drawing, it feels like my hand and brain already memorized the subject. So drawing has become that much easier. Hopefully that makes sense. So for gesture drawings, I am finally warming up to them. I really like the loose flowing lines and how I'm starting to see motion and foreshortening in the poses. Then there are the dreaded cross contour sketches. I can see three-dimensional form in the subject, but translating it to paper, like I said previously, is another story. I do not think I will nail this exercise anytime soon, so I'm calling it a fail. All right, let me know how you guys are doing on exercises 1, 2, and 3. And until the next video, stay positive, stay creative, and always be kind to yourself and others. Hi everyone. Hi everyone. So remember the exercises that I'm how to see, how to draw what we see. All right, the upcoming week. All right, let's get started. All right, check these out.